Only 1% can solve this. Largest ocean in the world? Pacific Ocean. Longest river in the world? Nile. Highest mountain in the world? Mount Everest. Smallest ocean in the world? Arctic Ocean. River flowing through Egypt. Nile. Mountain range in Europe? Alps. Deepest ocean trench? Mariana Trench. River flowing through London? Thames. Largest river by volume? Amazon River. Highest mountain in North America? Denali. Ocean between Africa and Australia? Indian Ocean. River flowing through Paris is? Seine. Mountain range in South America? Andes. Longest river in Asia? Yangtze. Ocean around Antarctica? Southern Ocean. River flowing through Rome? Tiber. Highest mountain in Africa? Mount Kilimanjaro. Major river in China? Yangtze. Mountain range in Asia? Himalayas. River flowing through Baghdad? Tigris. Smallest continent ocean touches? Arctic Ocean. River flowing through Germany. Rhine. Tallest mountain in Europe. Mount Elbrus. River flowing through Spain. Ebro. Ocean on U.S. West Coast. Pacific Ocean. River flowing through India. Ganges. Mountain range in North America. Rockies. River flowing through Moscow. Moskva. Ocean on U.S. East Coast. Atlantic Ocean. River flowing through Vietnam. Mekong. Highest mountain in Japan. Mount Fuji. River flowing through Vienna. Danube. Mountain range in Africa. Atlas Mountains. River flowing through Russia. Volga. Highest mountain in South America. Aconcagua. River flowing through Thailand. Chao Phraya. Ocean touching Africa East Coast. Indian Ocean. River flowing through Bangladesh. Ganges. Mountain range in Australia. Great Dividing Range. River flowing through Budapest. Danube. Out of 40 questions, how many did you get right? Share your score in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more fun quiz videos.